This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove an action button from Instagram account. It's really very easy process to remove any action button from our profile. Just follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, jump into your Instagram profile page, and then here we can see learn more is my action button, and now I will remove this button from my profile. So I'm going to tapping on edit profile and tapping on action buttons and tapping on current button. And here we can see, here you will get your current active action button. To remove it from your profile, tap on remove action button and tap on done. Going back from here, and as you can see, the action button has been removed from my profile. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.